What's up? I'm going to show you guys how to do a seamless panorama for your Instagram. So I'm going to jump into Lightroom. I'm going to find a picture to use. Maybe like this one. I've been working on a few different presets from when I went out to Washington. Those are going to be coming out soon. So I'm going to check out this one. Maybe brighten it up a little bit. I kind of like the gray textures. But I'm going to go ahead and export this. I'm just going to export it right to my desktop. Alright, now I do have a template created. There will be a download for this template below, but it's in the Photoshop format already, so all you do is have to open it up right into Photoshop. So I have the template laid out so you can use 10 images. 10 images is the max that you can use for a carousel type post. If you want to leave this at the 10, you can. Otherwise, if you go to crop, just select the artboard, you can actually change this to however many images you want. I'm just going to leave it like this for now. So I'm going to go find the image from earlier, and here it is right here. I'm just going to drag it right into Photoshop. Just make it a little bit bigger so I can work with it. So you kind of want to see where your image would be. Let's say I want to use these 3 tiles. You can go ahead and hit enter to place the image. So yeah, if you want to change this from the 10 panels, you're just going to hit the crop button, select the whole artboard. Once you do that, you can grab the handle and you can change the size of the new image. So go ahead and you can move it down to the 3rd guideline and then just hit enter and it'll recenter it. Now if you wanted to do square images, you could do that same thing. Select crop and then select your whole artboard, and then you just move the bottom handle up to that 2nd guideline. But we're just going to leave it in the 3:4 aspect ratio for now. So just hit enter and ignore that. So now that this is done, you have your image set. You're going to go to File, and then you're going to go to Export, and then Save for Web. And then once this opens, you can zoom out a little bit so you can see everything. And it only has your 3 slices displayed. So what you're going to want to do is select all of them. You hold shift and then hit each image. And so then you select them, hit save, and then I'm just going to save them on my desktop. Just type in a title for it if you want to. I'm just going to call it waterfall. Hit enter. I'll show you what this looks like. So it creates a folder on your desktop called images, and then you can go in there and look at your 3 images. So to put these on my phone, and I'm actually just going to put them right onto Google Drive. So once we download these to our phone, we're just going to go right into Instagram. Select your first photo, and then you're going to choose the multi-image and choose the 3 images in order. When you go to next, you'll actually be able to display it. Make sure you choose the right order, and from here, if you need to, you can edit. But I already have this edited, so I'm going to go ahead and next. So this was at Bridal Veil Fall. This was at Bridal Veil Falls. I'm just gonna put in some text. Oops. Edit it, format the post a little bit. And so I already have some stuff actually created, and I'm going to leave that in there. I created my hashtags already. Usually I do a little bit of hashtag research to see which ones that will actually rank in a little bit better. If you guys want to see a video on this, let me know in the comments. But yeah, and now it's done. I'm going to put in the location. That's it. There it goes. That's how you make a seamless panorama for an Instagram post. If you guys have any questions, just let me know right in the comments and I'll get back to you. Thanks.